Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your bio in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our project, where we have our feed, but from here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu, in the top right corner, we find the cog. We tap on this and then we can go into settings. Here in settings, we have to select edit profile. And then if we scroll down a bit, we find an about little tab. If we tap on this, we can write a little introduction to our profile. And after we are done writing that, we just tap on the done in the top right corner, and yeah, it's going to be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.